Veloci's aftermarket pump kits are manufactured in Italy and fit a variety of pump makes and models. These kits are precision designed and machined to fit some of the best brands in the industry, including General Pump, AR North America, and Comet, whose pumps can last decades but will require regular maintenance. Common maintenance includes replacement of check valves and packing kits which wear over time. Veloci pump kits fit commercial-grade triplex pumps only. What that means is that there are 3 pistons, which makes a triplex. Each pump requires different seals, packing kits, the check valves are different, every one of them is different from one pump to the next and from one manufacturer to the next. So make sure that you know which pump kit you actually need before you go out and purchase the pump kits. In this case, for a triplex pump, you've got 6 check valves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're positioned differently, but they're all the exact same. The check valve kits typically are going to come with a check valve and the O-ring where it sits. And this is what allows water to pass through both the low pressure and the high pressure side. Another really common part that needs to replace are the seal kits or the packing kits. This is a complete packing kit because it has seals and it has the brass. What makes this unique is actually the bore size. So this is where the piston's going to fire inside, and that is where the water is retained on one side and the pump oil located at the back of the unit is retained on the other. So this allows the piston to fire, generate pressure on one portion, so you've got high pressure seals, while your oil remains in the back and cannot contaminate the water. Veloci pump kits are an excellent and affordable aftermarket option for maintaining your pressure washing pump.